Hello, it's me, Sam. I'm just go. Oh, you can't see me. Anyways, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your email so that you can send emails rather than sending from your retail email address. You can send it from the orders at icingonthecupcake.com address. The reason we're going to do this is so that we can start sending confirmation emails for all of the pre-orders that we get. So you're going to go into your inbox, come over here, click settings, accounts, and you're going to add another email address. So you're going to enter the address orders at icingonthecupcake.com. So this is what emails we'll be sending from. And then you're going to change the name. Make sure you change the name because this is, we want it to say orders, just so it's uniform across the company whenever we're sending confirmation emails that it's coming from orders. And then you're going to leave this box checked, so that all looks good. So then you're going to click next. So then we just have to verify that you're part of this, domain or whatever. So you want to click send verification. It's going to ask you to enter a verification code. So you're going to go back to your inbox. And you should get that verification email. There we go. So you click the email, you go down here, and it's this number, confirmation code, you're going to copy. You're going to go back to that window and paste and verify. Oops, I think I left a space in there. All right, so that's all set, and just to double check you did all that correctly, you can go back to settings, accounts, and now orders shows up here. So the next step is actually creating this canned response email so that you can send it easily. So, let me just go ahead and send it to you. So don't mind all of this. It looks complicated and fast, but I'll explain it later or just in a minute. Okay, so second part of this process, setting up a canned response. So first you're going to go to your settings again, just to make sure that your canned responses are enabled. You're going to go to labs, canned responses. Okay, they are enabled, so that's good. All right, so then we're going to go back to inbox. So you're going to open this email that I just sent. So before you enter this process, I will be sure to send this email out to you so you have this ready to go. So you're going to copy all of this, compose, and then you're going to paste it. And you are going to then click this little drop down and hit canned responses. Okay, so it looks like you guys know a little something about canned responses, so this is going to be a new one. It's going to be called confirmation email. Okay. So you're going to send it to whoever you want. And this is where you're going to change. So this is what we just set up, was that online orders, or that orders at Icing on the Cupcake email address. So now you can send as orders. So we just want to make that uniform across the company so that we're not sending emails to customers from all these random different addresses. We also don't want people to have those addresses, so that's why we're doing this. So I will also ask that you make sure to turn off your signature for these emails. So if it shows up automatically, just delete your signature. And then just make sure when you're filling out this form to be sure and touch everything that's highlighted. And I left it highlighted just so it's easier for you to see what you need to enter. And as you can see, this is an all-inclusive form. So if, say, you're creating a confirmation receipt for a pickup order, you would leave the pickup fields, and you can just delete all of this delivery information because that's unnecessary. And the same applies to the custom or standard orders. If you're not sending a receipt for a custom order, go ahead and delete all of those lines because it doesn't apply. The second thing is to just make sure and use to type out everything completely here, because this is for the customer. It's not our shorthand for the Frost. So, just make sure that you're actually writing out words that in a way that the customer will understand, because this is how they're going to catch an error and hopefully let us know before we make it wrong. So it's really important to type this all out in a way that is totally understandable to the customer so that there are no mistakes. That's the whole point of this process. That's about it. So then an easy way to get rid of this highlighting, you can leave it when you're filling out the form, but I think it's good to have it there so you know that you're not missing any fields. But once you're done, you can select everything and go here. Background color, just check this, and that will remove all the highlights. So just make sure to double check the whole email before you send it. And yeah, that's the process. So hopefully this makes sense to everybody. It seems pretty straightforward, but I'm available if you need any help. Just let me know. And that's it.